In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add chart view in Wrike. We'll walk through this step by step so you can quickly create a visual, analytics style view of your work. Before you start, make sure you're already inside the relevant folder, project, or space in your Wrike workspace, and that you can see your existing views, such as table or list view, at the top of the screen. First, look towards the top of your workspace where the different views are listed in a row, like list, board, or table. At the end of that row, you should see a small plus icon. This plus sign is Wrike's way of letting you add a new view. Go ahead and click on that plus sign. If you don't see it right away, try hovering your mouse near the existing views and it should appear. Once you click the plus sign, a menu will open showing the different types of views you can add. From this list, look for the option labeled Chart. This is the view that will let you turn your data into visual charts and graphs. Click on Chart to select it. Wrike will then open a small window or panel where you can set up this new view. In this panel, you'll see a field where you can enter a name for your new chart view. By default, it may already be filled in with something like chart. You can simply leave it as is if you want a quick setup, or you can rename it to something more descriptive, like analytics, team performance, or any label that makes sense for how you plan to use it. Giving it a clear name can be especially helpful if you'll have multiple chart views later on, so you can easily tell them apart at a glance. After you've decided on the name, take a moment to confirm everything looks correct, and then click on the Create button. This button finalizes your setup and tells Wrike to add the new chart view to your current folder or project. Once you click Create, Wrike will generate the chart view and add it to the row of views at the top of your workspace. From here, you can start customizing the chart itself, adjusting filters, metrics, and timeframes to display the information that matters most to you and your team. And that's all it takes to add a chart view in Wrike.